my name is John Glenn. I'm the Director of Business Growth and Development for Premier Group at Real Broker. So just want to jump on here, talk a little bit about our experience with Ruuster. We have a unique situation. We're a national expansion team in 47 different markets. We have over 75 MLSs that we bring in through the Ruuster app, which is absolutely amazing. And their data feeds sync up very well. A shout out to Agent Fire, the back end of our website. We integrate Ruuster app. You can see when they look at properties, you get notified. We have action plans and automations going off in FUB through Ruuster with activity that happens. The integration is absolutely fabulous. And then we also embed it into our website pages. So every agent on the team actually has a embedded app on their website page for Ruuster, which is also integrated into FUB. So they utilize the app. There's tons of lead generation, forced registration. They have a vendor feature where you can drive your sphere of influence and friends and family to the app. We utilize Ruuster on a monthly basis to send out market reports through the Ruuster app to drive traffic back there. So our experience with Ruuster has just been, it's been great. You can engage your database, like I said, and it's very consumer friendly. And just want to give a shout out to the Ruuster staff. They're wonderful to work with. Their support is great. So, our overall experience in Ruuster has been tremendous. It's had a great impact, and we can't wait to see what Ruuster has in store. They keep developing and enhancing and coming out with new features. So we're just excited to be on the ride and the journey, and just want to keep utilizing the Ruuster app and keep driving business. So thank you, Ruuster.